Hello, welcome back to Lifestyle Kyle. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of my second Stitch Fix. So this is my second one. I signed up for it, I don't know, about a month ago. Got my first one in, which I did not video the unboxing or do any sort of review or anything for that. But I wanted to do it for my second one, and I should have done it for the first one. So yeah, this is another simple iPhone video, just a straight up unboxing, no editing, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna sort of open this, show you what's in it, let you know my thoughts of whether they hit it well or not, and go from there. So like I said, this is my second one. My first one I got about a month ago, and it was okay. Wasn't great. I kept one shirt from it. They sent me 3 shirts, a t-shirt, a Henley, and a Oxford, and then a pair of boots. And I kept one t-shirt, and it was just like a comfy navy t-shirt. The rest of it, I didn't really vibe with that well. So they say it takes about 4 of these for them to start really hitting it out of the park, is what I've heard. So let's see if they did any better on number 2. The first one, like I said, I only kept one shirt from, and the rest of the stuff I just did not like, especially the boots they sent me were whack. So without further ado, let's open this and see what it's like. I'm using my my duck once again. All right, so the box is simple. It's just a Stitch Fix branded box. This one is smaller, so I can tell there's no shoes or boots or anything in here. It's probably just gonna be clothes. So you open the box up, and they do a pretty good job with their packaging. So you kind of open it up, and it's wrapped in this nice paper. So you pull it out, and this is kind of how it comes. So it comes all wrapped up. A little sneak peek at what's inside. Nice Stitch Fix branding sort of sticker on there. Yeah, and so this is kind of how the actual merch comes wrapped. And then they send you this cool little envelope here. Just nice Stitch Fix branding. And then inside here is honestly a bunch of stuff. They have a little like welcome letter. Hello there, blah, blah, blah. Styled for you. They'll pay you money if you refer people. And for some reason they sent me 2 of those, so cool, I guess. I guess I'm double as important as the rest of you fools. And then here is the price list, which we can get into later. And there should be one more thing in here that I'm not seeing. Let's have a look. All right, weird. Usually there is a letter from the designer that goes through the items they sent you and kind of why they styled it this way. That's not in here, which is kind of weird because it's supposed to be in every box. They sent me 2 of these. Oh, wait a second. Boom, here you go. So this is going to be a brief overview of everything that's in here, of course, like outfit ideas, why they styled it for you. So enough about the packaging. Let's have a look and see if they sent me any stuff I like or not. So you just kind of have to reef this sticker here, unwrap it. Let's see. Here is the pile. So the first thing is looks like just a kind of traditional flannel shirt. It feels, first impressions, it's a brand called Flag and Anthem. I've never heard of it. Dry Goods Supply. It's really comfy feeling. It's got like this sort of faded vibe to it, which I kind of like. It feels really comfortable, honestly. It is a size large. So I told my fixer, whoever it is, that I am always between, I usually wear a large t-shirt or a large shirt in most brands, but in higher end brands like Filson or even like Ralph Lauren, anything like that, just more higher end brands, I notice that I tend to be in between a medium and a large, and a lot of times it's hard for me to find the right fit between that medium and large just because, I don't know, it's the way I am. So that's always a challenge. So we'll see. Last time all the shirts fit great. And they do ask you about that when you fill out your survey. Like they kind of ask you about if you have any size problems and more specifics on that. So that's helpful. And everything did fit awesome last time is what I will say. So first shirt, nice little flannel shirt. This looks awesome, but honestly, I'm probably not going to keep it just because today, actually, I went and I got a red and black Filson flannel. So I don't need two red and black flannels. So this one's probably going back, and it's not even going to get a fair shot just because I bought something just like it today. So the next is this button down here. First impression, it's a white, sort of nice striped. The brand is Fairlane, which I've never heard of. It's a slim. So this, I'm sure they sent me because of my request after my last box, which was, hey, I need more stuff that is business casual. Because last time my box was like t-shirts mainly and like one button down that was very casual. But most of the clothes I need to be able to wear to work. And so that's a business casual for sure. Sometimes I can wear and manage a t-shirt, but most of the time it needs to be sort of a button down, flannel, something like that. So I asked them, told them I need less t-shirts and casual stuff and a little bit more business casual. So I'm sure that's why they sent me this. I like the print of the shirt. First impression of it, it looks pretty wide. So it is a size large, short, and it's a slim fit. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this on and we'll see from there. But the fact that it's a short, I think is kind of impressive because again, when I filled out my survey, they ask you questions about fit, problems you usually have with fit. And a big one for me is about 5'8". So I wear a large shirt, like I said, but oftentimes the sleeves and the shirt is too long. So that is good attention to detail, and hopefully this thing will fit well. So shirt number 2, pretty solid. I like it. Shirt number 3 is this short sleeve, like navy and polka dot type thing going on. It's a brand called Hawk Rye. It's a slim, size large, and I can tell you right now, the material is kind of like a nylon-ish, but yeah, I'm not gonna keep this. I probably won't even try it on. I don't know. I just haven't, to me, it kind of looks and feels a little bit like a TJ Maxx Old Navy type of shirt, which nothing wrong. I've gotten great things. I found a barber at TJ Maxx, but you know what I'm talking about. The brands that are always in there, sort of like Paper Denim and all those other kind of half-ass brands that just make something that looks halfway decent and it falls apart in a couple days. And this definitely has that look and that feel to it. And I mean, it's probably a good shirt. Not really my vibe. Don't want it, don't need it. This one, I haven't even looked at the front of it. Whoa! What up? They could put a tiger on this thing. Yeah. Off the bat, probably not going to rock a tee with a giant tiger on it. I mean, I don't know. It's comfy feeling shirt, that's for sure, but yeah, I'm just not going to vibe a tiger t-shirt. Just not my thing, at all. But this, however, these look promising. The last item in there is a slim fit pant by Hawk Rye. And it's a nice fabric. You can see here, it's kind of like almost like this woolly, dressy sort of chino. Yeah. And this is awesome. So in my pants, again, same story. I wear 32 waist and I wear 32 30s, my normal size, but honestly, most of the time in nicer brands, the 30-inch inseam is too long. So I either cuff it or get them hemmed to about a 29, 28. Usually in nicer brands, about a 28. So these are pretty sweet. This is a premium chino with a distinctive enzyme wash. A classic style built to last by Hawker Rye. I like these a lot. I'm going to try them on and see how they fit, but these are definitely a win. This is exactly kind of what I said I needed. And my last one is I need pants that I can really dress up or down. Like you could wear these with a t-shirt and pull it off, or you could, you know, put on a button down and make these look really nice. So I'm stoked about these. Yeah, so I'm gonna try some of this stuff on, and so I'll kind of put it on and then see if I like it, if I'm gonna keep it, and I'll kind of get back to you. All right, so it's been a couple days since I unboxed my second fix from Stitch Fix. So I want to give the final verdict, and that final verdict is I'm sending everything back. There's nothing that I'm gonna hang on to this time. There's just nothing that really worked. There's a few things that I liked, but nothing worth keeping, or nothing that I liked enough and fit well enough for me to keep. The only exception to that would probably be the red flannel. And the only reason I am sending that one back, that one fit great and I liked it. The only reason I am sending it back is because I have one just like it. The rest of the stuff, it just didn't work. There was 3 things out of the 5 items that I liked. And that was the dress shirt, which was just the wackiest, weirdest fitting shirt I've ever tried on. I don't know what the hell they were thinking when somebody approved that shirt and the fit. It was just weird. The second were the pants, the Hawker Rye pants, which those I like the color, I like the material, but they fit kind of like almost boot cut. They're supposed to just be slim fits, but they fit like almost, it was just weird. It was like a boot cut fit. And I'm not a boot cut type of guy, so those are going back. And then the rest of it just didn't like. So that being said, it's all going back. One of the things I wanted to just show is exactly how that happened. So in your fix, you basically get this inside the box with your stuff, and it's the packaging with the paid for label already on it. So it's super simple. You literally just take the pile of stuff and slide it into here, seal it up, and throw it in the mailbox. So yeah, I didn't know exactly how that worked when I started, but it's really simple, and in case you were wondering, that's it. The other thing I didn't know that you should know before you get started is that you have 36 hours to try the stuff on from the time you receive it and send back whatever you don't want. Now, if you extend that, theoretically, they could charge you. I'm not sure what their policy is as far as wiggle room. Do they give you a couple extra days if you forget, or if you're out of town or something? I'm not really sure, but yeah. 36 hours, and it's supposed to be back in the mail in order to ensure that you get your money back and whatnot. So keep that in mind. That's something I didn't know, and if you're like me, you forget a lot of things, and they can sit in a corner in the box, and then before you know it, you get charged for all of it, and you don't even want it. So that's a really important thing I think you should know going into it, is that you do have 3 days. So keep that in mind. But all in all, to recap, my second fix from Stitch Fix, I give it like a 4 out of 10. And the main reason I do that is because, I mean, there's nothing that I'm keeping from the second box. I only kept one thing from the first box, and that was just a comfortable t-shirt. So it's hard to give it anything higher. Like I said, there's a few things I liked, so that's why I kind of gave it a 4 or a 5. But nothing I loved and nothing I'm keeping. So we'll see. They say it takes 3 to 4 boxes to get to a point where they really start hitting the nail on the head, is what I've heard. But we'll see if that's true. I will take you guys along. I will do an unboxing for each one, let you know if there's anything I'm keeping, and then after 5 boxes, I'm going to give my official opinion on Stitch Fix and whether or not it works well, or if it's a good service, and kind of give my official review on that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you before you decide to try Stitch Fix, and I'll see you for the next one. Peace.